I am a Goan poet. My name is Manoj N. Kamat. I have written many of the compositions in English, and here I would like to present one of my English composition. The name is I Am Still Young. I am still young. This poem is dedicated to all the senior citizens. Once upon a time they were young, and now they have grown older, but still young at heart. The poem goes like this. I'm still young. Who says I'm old? I'm still young. I'm still young. My hair has only turned grey. Vision, a little despair. My hair has only turned grey, vision, a little despair. But I can work and take my care, because I'm still young, because I'm still young. Years ran away, limbs became aged. Years ran away, limbs became aged. Even if I stand crooked, I'm still young, I'm still young. Generations passed, gap that later revealed. Generations passed, gap that later revealed. But I can think on my own will, because I'm still young, because I'm still young. Body weakened, teeth unstable, ears required aid. Body weakened, teeth unstable, ears required aid. Memory turned fade. I'm still young, I'm still young. Discussions drifted apart. Sound turned bass. Discussions drifted apart. Sound turned bass. Confrontations I chase. I'm still young, I'm still young. Childhood weird. Those days I cheered. My heart is young today even. Childhood weird. Those days I cheered. My heart is young today even when I play with my granddaughter and grandson. I'm still young. I'm still young. Journey of life, to be lived with green and spice. Never repent what you didn't get. Journey of life, to be lived with grin and spice. Never repent what you didn't get, so you may later regret. I'm still young, I'm still young, I'm still young. Thank you so much.